Father, we praise your holy name. Nobody is like you in heaven. You created heaven. All creatures in heaven bow before you. Father, the earth belongs to you. All things on the globe belong to you. Lord, you created us in your own image. Father, we are gathered here for a purpose. By your grace, in the name of your Son Jesus Christ, we are here today to receive from you, Lord. Holy God, Holy Father, men and women, young children are before me, your servant. Father, may you speak to them. May you visit them. May you visit them. Lord, reveal yourself to them. They need your righteousness. They need your healing, Lord. They need to hear from you, O God. Hear them and answer their prayers. Lord, set them free from any captivity. Whatever evil spirits that is holding them, evil spirits that cause bad dreams, evil spirits that bring backwardness, evil spirits that bring constant diseases and sickness. Holy God,